Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at a newly launched token called Fox Finance, and the ticker is Fox, as you can see here. So as of now, the token is available on like KuCoin, Kraken, and I think it could actually find its way towards Coinbase as well. There is a reason for that, and it's also available on the Binance Future as well as Extra Future. So I would say that's really good for this token. And if we look at their backers does includes likes of Coinbase Ventures. So there is a possibility that it will most likely find its way towards Coinbase eventually, I think. And again, it is like one of the biggest platform on the Algorand blockchain, as you can see here, with a TVL of over 82 million on the Algo, and whereas its overall TVL it is at 104 million. Basically, this is innovative DeFi platform to lend, borrow, trade, and manage digital assets. So basically, it is a lending platform. You can say they have two apps. The one is for the exchange. So these exchanges are basically these like EVM compatible chains such as Avalanche, Arbitrum, Bass, Polygon. There is PNB, there is Say, there is also Monad as well. And there another app is called Algorand app, as you can see here. So this is how it looks like. So this is their first app and this is their second app, as you can see. So basically you can use either depending on your network, and you can do a lot on this. So because of that, it's a pretty big, I would say, project, since it is like the biggest one on the Algorand, and Algorand does have its hype when or Algorand does have its own community. So I think this is a pretty big one overall. Of course, it has been struggling, I mean the Algo, but we are talking about this token, not the Algo. So anyways, let's move on. So when it comes to its tokenomics, or when it comes to its token, the token has a max supply of 50 million, as you can see, out of which like around 2.7% is showing the total supply, and like 12.7 million is in the circulation, and the allocation is like really good as well. So 3.57% goes to the advisors, and there is like 4.94 going towards strategic supporters. Like seed investors do get like 21%. So overall 25% goes towards the investors, and core contributors gets like 10%, community gets like 35%, and ecosystem and growth gets like 24%. As I said, it has a fixed supply of 50 million, as you can see. And if you look here, and if you just look at like current unlocked tokens, these belongs to community, which are like around 3.29%, and the ecosystem growth of 24%. So the total allocated to airdrop upon token generation event is like 3.29%. Of that, around 0.67% unlock community airdrop represents an estimated value based on projected ratio of 25% of users opting for instant claim versus 75 selecting the linear unlock option. So that is what is going on here. So as of now, this was just their season 1, so they most likely have a season 2 as well. So that means that it will have more demand in the future because of these seasons. That is a possibility. And as for the rest, there is a lock and linear unlock for the investors as well as for the team. So basically the team as well as investors tokens are locked for 12 months. After that, there is 12 to 30 months like a linear unlock duration, as you can see. So I would say the tokenomics is pretty good. Now when it comes to utilities, that is where things get really interesting. So before we move to utilities, you need to know that the standard that token uses is NTT, which is basically native token transfers standard. Basically it is a multi-chain token. This means there is only one token across all networks, no wrapping, no synthetic OPs or anything. So the token is available on Avalanche, Ethereum, Bass, BNB chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, Algorand, and Say network, and you can do the bridge very easily through the instructions here, as you can see. So that is, I think, really good for the token. In terms of utilities, so it is a governance token. Beside that, there is a Fox router discount fees as well, so applied to solve transactions through Fox router on Algorand, as you can see, and after that there is cross-chain DEX aggregator discounted fees as well applied to swaps transactions through Li.Fi cross-chain DEX aggregator on exchange as well. So that is really interesting as well. In terms of like if you just look at the utilities it is also used as Fox exporter discount fees, Fox as a gas token as well. So it has a lot of utilities as well. So there is also debit card perks as well, so discounted fees and tiered and perks, and so overall they also have some utilities planned in the future as well. So basically they will have a lot more utilities with a version 2 that they are most likely working on as of now. So overall it seems like a fairly big, I would say, platform, and I think it will most likely get like it will most likely take off slowly, and of course it is like really big on the algo as well, and it has been around since 2022. So I would say it does have a reputation, and it took them like 3 years or like 4 years to launch their token. So I would say that is like a really good thing and really big W for the project, because that means that they have been building for a long time, and that does show that their commitment to the project. So I would say that is really good. So in terms of its price, so the token as of now, if you just look at its market cap, it launched at 48 million, and as of now it is at 66 million. And if we just like look at its price, as of now it is at like $5, and it actually did hit a low. It started with 3.82 as you can see here, and since it has a low supply than other projects, so its price is going to be a little bit higher, I mean in the dollars, not in the market cap. Again, its market cap is really interesting at launch, and again if the token does get listed on the Coinbase, I think we'll most likely see a massive surge as well, and I think that is a possibility for this token as well. Again, it is already available on the Astra as well as on the Binance futures. So again, if this token somehow finds its way towards Binance Alpha or even the Binance, I think we could see a massive surge. Again, if it gets listed on like let's say a bit, we'll most likely see a massive surge, or even the Coinbase. So as of now, the catalyst that I'm looking at is going to be mostly the exchange listings such as Coinbase, Binance, or a bit. And another catalyst that we are looking at as of now is going to be the announcement on their next airdrop season. So these are the two catalysts that I'm looking at as of now that can put this token even higher. So again, it seems like that it's holding really well, so there is a possibility that it can do $10, and hitting $10 is going to be possible because it has a lower supply and its market cap is only at 66 million. So even if it goes, let's say as high as like 120 or 130, it will be above $10. So I think that is a possibility. Again, we'll see once we do get these listings, but as of now I think this token will most likely continue to hold. Even if it does go down, I think it has a really good support somewhere around $3 to $4. Again, that is going to be a really good entry point for this token. Again, this is a risky token because it just launched recently, so there is no way to know because it has no supports, no resistance. So again, if it starts to go up, we could see like a price surge as high as $15 or even $20, and if it does go down, we could see a retest as low as $2 or even $3. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will be back with more. Thank you.